Okay,
I'm taking video of what happened.
This is a video Caleb DeCasper took on his cell phone moments after he experienced a terrifying moment.
Yeah, I was really scared.
Caleb says he was driving on 183 in Northwest Austin during the rainstorm, not thinking anything of it until
Something slams into the back of my car.
that something was a concrete barrier. Rushing water picked it up and slammed it into Caleb's car.
And just takes me for a ride down the street several hundred feet.
This photo was snapped by the fire department after Caleb was saved. It shows those barriers next to his car.
I thought I was going to die. I thought I was going to roll and drown.
Law enforcement officials responded to dozens of water rescues involving cars trapped due to extreme flooding. It's something EMS admits they haven't seen in quite a while.
It just all of a sudden kind of got worse and worse.
Brandon Brammer found himself in a similar situation also on 183. He says he was driving through the flooding when all of a sudden his car just shut off.
And then I just started floating. And my car just started going sideways. The water started rushing up on the side just like it would on any other flood against the curb.
Luckily, he was saved by law enforcement, but Brandon says he learned a valuable lesson that he wanted to share with others.
When they say, seriously, if you value your car or your life and they tell you to turn around, don't drown, turn around or don't leave in the first place.